Okay, so if you see what I'm doing is I am attempting to put up this pendant light. I've already gotten the wiring together and all that good stuff or whatever. But the frustrating part about this process is that there's like two little screws that hang down in order for that silver piece that connect up into the ceiling. And then you take the little circular ball thing that like holds it and tight, holds it up to the ceiling in place. And so you have to get that just the right length so that it can hang down out of that little silver circular piece. Anyway, y'all, I was having a time because the little bar that it hangs on, it just kept moving and it would not come out of the little circle piece, and it was becoming very frustrating. So I had to keep taking it down, twisting it to make it longer, so it can come down enough so that I could literally push it through and attach the little end piece, the end cap on it, so that it could be flush against the ceiling. But I finally got it done. And this is what it looked like. The lights are absolutely gorgeous. They do like kind of a rainbow on a ceiling. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I got these from Amazon. I will definitely share the link below. But these lights are absolutely gorgeous. And guess what? These lights were so inexpensive. For two lights, it was only, I think, $45 or $47 for both of the lights together, as it came in as a pair. And then that's the bulb I use. I use the LED translucent light bulb. So it's very pretty. These are some absolutely, y'all, when I tell y'all get into these lights, they are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, they're so beautiful. Yes, it took me 2 hours to get these lights up because the first light took like an hour and a half. And then once I got the first light like done, the second light was definitely a breeze. But it wasn't bad. Just trying to get that little just trying to get the screws to hang long enough and not too short so that I could actually flush it up against the wall very seamlessly. But yeah, these lights are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad Amazon did their big one as far as the price, and they just make my kitchen look absolutely beautiful. So now my peninsula area just looks very, very, very pretty. I love the lighting. It is just so gorgeous. But yes, so that is my pendant light installation video. For more DIY projects, please, please, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. I am pretty much going to be remodeling my entire house. So follow me on this journey as I do a lot of these projects for the very first time. So thank you all for watching.